Hello, everyone. In this lecture, I am going to explain line by line the famous poem Success is Counted Sweetest by Emily Dickinson. But before I explain it, if you are new to my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Let me first tell you the main theme of this poem, then you will understand it. Basically, the central message of the poem is that true understanding and appreciation of success come from experiencing failure. Those who have struggled, failed, or been denied success are the ones who can truly understand its sweetness. In contrast, those who easily achieve success often take it for granted and fail to fully comprehend its worth. Now, let's start the explanation. Success is counted sweetest by those who ne'er succeed. In these opening lines, Emily Dickinson presents a paradox. Those who never achieve success value it the most. The phrase counted sweetest means considered the most precious, while ne'er succeed refers to those who fail. The poetess suggests that people who constantly fail understand the true worth of success better than those who achieve it easily. In simple words, you can say that success is most appreciated by those who struggle and never experience it. In other words, you can say that she says that those people who never succeed in life consider it the sweetest. And then say, to comprehend a nectar requires sorest need. Here, Dickinson uses a metaphor to reinforce her idea. Nectar represents success, something sweet and desirable. Sorest need means extreme longing or desperation. Simply, she is saying that to truly appreciate something valuable, one must first experience great hardship or deprivation. In easy words, you can say, she is telling us that only those who are really thirsty understand the true sweetness of water, just as only those who have failed can fully appreciate success. Not one of all the purple host. Who took the flag today? Now, Dickinson shifts to a military image. Purple host refers to an army. Took the flag symbolizes winning a battle or achieving success. Simply, she states that not even the victorious soldiers who won the battle can fully define or understand victory as deeply as someone who has lost. Simply, she is saying that those who win easily may not truly grasp the meaning of their victory. Can tell the definition, so clear of victory. These lines continue the same idea. She claims that the winners, despite their success, cannot define victory as clearly as those who have lost. Actually, she suggests that true understanding comes from the pain of failure rather than the joy of winning. In other words, those who have always been successful may take victory for granted, but those who have struggled will know its value much more. As he defeated, dying, on whose forbidden ear? Now, Dickinson paints a heartbreaking image of a defeated soldier who is dying on the battlefield. The word forbidden suggests that the soldier is now excluded from victory. He is unable to celebrate or enjoy it. The phrase defeated, dying emphasizes both his physical loss and his emotional suffering. In simple words, you can say, she is showing us that the person who has lost everything can understand the value of success the most. And then says, the distant strains of triumph burst agonized and clear. In these final lines, Dickinson describes how the sound of victory, perhaps the cheers of the winning army, reaches the ears of the dying soldier. The word strains means musical notes or sounds, and burst agonized and clear suggests that the victorious sounds are painfully sharp for the defeated soldier. This moment is ironic. The person who understands victory best is the one who is experiencing its absence. In easy words, you can say, she is showing us that failure makes success feel even more powerful, even if it is unreachable. I hope you enjoyed this lecture. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more poetry explanations. Thank you.